Hey guys, we'll cover about creating a rule in Outlook to help you organize your emails. And this is one of the example that my boss set up. So this rule specifically forward an email related to Facebook to the other email address, okay? And then the other thing that we will cover as well is organizing the automation emails to put on a folder versus on directly, directly landing to your inbox. Okay, so we'll start first on forwarding emails, and you can do that by clicking this create rule section, or if this is not visible on your end, you can then click these three dots in here, go to the customize section and make sure that this is checked. Okay, the other thing that you can do as well is click the gear icon section or go to the view Outlook settings and go to the mail and go to the rules section. Now we'll start first on forwarding the emails or setting a condition into your rules. Okay, so you click this add new rules, and let's say I'm gonna call this one forwarding Facebook. Okay, and then I'm gonna add like a condition. Let's say if the email address is coming from Facebook, this one, or if you don't want to use the from thing, you can jump in with a subject like um, subject includes that is good Facebook. Then I want that to be forward to my personal email address. Okay, and then you hit saved. Okay, and you will see in here all the rules or the conditions that you set up. Then the other thing maybe we want is, let's say, add new rules, and let's say this is an Airbnb one because I received some emails related to Airbnb. Let's say, actually, let me just X this because we need to come up with a folder first. I need to click this folder thing and then right click and then create folder, and then oh, there's already an Airbnb there. Okay, that's good to know. But yeah, if you want to create a folder, you can just right click, create folder, and put your preferred folder. So yeah, right click, I can have this newsletter. Okay, and we'll go back to the rules section. Um, Click the gear icon, click the view all Outlook settings, click the mail, rules, add new rules, and let's say this is Airbnb, and I want all the Airbnb thing to be moved to a specific folder called Airbnb. And run rules now, click save. And that's how you can organize all of your emails. Now I'm planning to come up with another thing in here, maybe related to HubSpot, MailChimp, anything about newsletter will be forwarded to a newsletter folder because I really want to organize my folder and priority the task that needs to be done. And aside from that, on the create rules section, you can jump in directly to the folder. Let's say I want to come up with, let's say, priority folder. Okay, have that. And let me just choose that one. So where is it? Okay, priority folder. I believe I already created one, but yeah, let me just add it again. Priority. So, okay. And then you can run something in here, view rules. So you can have like all emails from my boss should be moved to the priority folder. Okay, it's already running there. And here, like you can, if you're not sure yet, you can stop the rules and add exemptions at the same time. Like if, so I have this something in here called, let me just rub this one. Hold on, maybe I'll try to, yeah, this bunk thing. So you can have the priority in here and have like, oh, let's just go back anyway to the gear icon, go to the view all settings, and then for the rules. So I set up something in here. All the messages or email coming from my boss will be moved to the priority, but I want to set up like an exemption, like not just all the email address will be moved to the priority, because she also have some automated email like newsletter, and I don't want it to be moved into priority. So what you can do is just add an exemption and then do something like if the subject includes newsletter, I don't want that to be moved to the priority folder. So yeah, that's just basically how you can do that. Super easy. I know, I mean, it sounds like not really a thing, but it will really help you to organize all your emails and move to the task that needs to be prioritized versus on just, opening random emails that obviously it can distract your workload. Also, when you create a specific folder using the create rules, like the priority that I created, it sometimes go to a random order. And since this is a priority, I really want that to be in the first, like beside the inbox. So to move that folder, you could just drag it until the end in there. It's in there. I'll try to recreate that and maybe, yeah, move it and then go to the inbox. So you can drag or right click or move it straightly to the inbox. So that's it. I hope you find this helpful. And if you have any question, please don't hesitate to ask me. You can comment down below or email me. I'm going to put the information as well on my link description in case you need help. I'll try to come up with a tutorial for you because I have a request form as well. If you want me to create a tutorial, then make sure that you put your request form in the linked description so I can come up with a tutorial for you. And yeah, that's it. Hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're liking this video to receive new videos from me.